is Rohan Rawat. I'm the South Asia representative for Georgian College. Today, I'm sure there will be a lot of takeaways from this session, especially about Georgian College, talking about the Ontario province. You can ask your question related to if you're a current student, if you're a student, if you want to go in January or May, because both the intake are open. I will begin with my presentation. Make sure that all your questions will be answered, but please wait for the presentation to get over, because after that we'll have at least half an hour Q&A session. And rightly said by Aman that it could be a possibility that while I'm giving the presentation, few of your questions will be answered. I'm presenting about Georgian College. So thank you very much, the whole Pyramid team and all the students who have taken out time and to join the session this morning. So I will just begin my presentation now. So as you can see, it's actually your success with Georgian College and how exactly we do it, because I'm sure it's a virtual event, and you could really understand that now the whole world is living in this virtual platform due to the pandemic. But it's very good positive news yesterday that the first vaccine will be out very, very soon. So I will be sharing a small video so that you can have at least a kind of a virtual tour, so that you understand how exactly is the college, how exactly are the lab facilities, how exactly the faculty is taking care of the student. So here we begin our presentation with a small video about Georgian College.
You ready to experience Georgian? Let's go! As a Georgian student, you'll want to be here. Georgian is a transformative experience that'll connect you to the skills you need, the mindset to succeed, and the confidence to thrive. At Canada's first and only Changemaker College, you'll be part of an inclusive community with a passion for social innovation, change-making, and bringing ideas to life. Students who excel at Georgian will appreciate small class sizes, connecting with faculty committed to your success, and will love living in a four-season playground. Explore an entrepreneurial mindset, connect with state-of-the-art technology, experience real-world learning from industry leaders, and make lifelong connections as part of a team. As a Georgian graduate, you will be fully connected to your potential, your peers, your industry, and the world. If this sounds like you, then you are ready. Experience Georgian and accelerate your success.
With the presentation, you have seen a lot of small glimpses that we have taken all over the campus. You could see the department, you could see how exactly the faculty is mentoring the student. So what we are famous for, get the experience which employer want. We get the skill that makes you more employable, and we experience the difference about the co-op. Because we make sure that all of our programs, so we are the first college of Ontario which have maximum co-op program, which have one of the highest graduate success rate in the whole decade. Because we make sure that whether your program is a co-op program or a non-co-op program, each of the program is designed in a way that we try to give you the exposure to the right skill set. So it will be a mixture of your practical exposure, your theoretical exposure, and the skill that will be taught to you with the Georgian experience. So we are the national leader in the co-op education. We are the very proudly #1 co-op college, which makes us give a network of 6,200 employer partners. That means 6,200 employers are there which come to the campus, not just to recruit the student for co-op, for field placement, for graduate, or internship, for research-based. So this is the employer network that we have, which makes us so strong for our placement. So 90+ employment rate, that means 90% of the students get the job in the relevant field after completion of the program. So when I say in the relevant field, that means on the same field for which they have graduated. We have over 130+ program across 7 campuses. So today our presentation will be focused on the campuses which is offered to international students. So most of our program are offered at Berry campus, which is our largest campus, around 100 acres. So we have 2,600 staff and faculty members, which are all experienced. So you can see, for example, you are going to a business department or an engineering department. You can read the profile of the faculty and the coordinator on the website, so that you can see the kind of the faculty that will be teaching you with a lot of Canadian exposure, with a lot of employment connect. We have over 13,000 students in all our 7 campuses. out of which 36 students comes from 85 different countries. So when I'm talking about an international student, I'm talking about every student that is not a Canadian citizen. So we have students coming from 85 different countries and coming to our campus. We have 780 pathway. That means if a student is in a diploma program and want to go for a credit transfer or want to continue in a degree program, they can. So we have already articulation with 780 universities where a student can complete their degree. We have around 72,000 alumni network which keep coming back to our campus, especially at the time when we want to recruit. I told you this is few pictures of Barrie campus. So one of the largest campus that we have and one of the biggest campus in the Ontario. So we have gym, theater, restaurants, lounges, sports court, 2-floor library. So on the picture where you can see a lot of students, that's our library. So we are very, very huge because 90% of your program, especially for international students, are there in this campus. So being Barrie as a city is a very wonderful city which have all season tourist area. We are very, very close to Greater Toronto region. So we have 40 minutes drive only from Toronto. This is exactly your work term will look like. So if you're coming for a 3-year advanced diploma, it can have 3 co-op or it can even have 2 co-op. So if you're coming for a 2-year program, it can have 2 co-op, it can have 1 co-op. Most of the graduate program are non-co-op program apart from research analyst, information security system, HR management. But there are few co-op programs also. So there is a very good mix of program which is coming at the graduate level. We also have 1 2-year graduate certificate which is Global Business Management. That is the only graduate program which is for 2 years. So average wage rate right now in Ontario province is $14. It means that the students which are coming and studying in our Ontario province are able to earn somewhere around $14 to $21. This is also the wage rate of the co-op term. So average co-op term is a 560-hour term. That is a single co-op term. So student is able to earn $7,000 to $8,000 only in their single co-op term if they are coming for a co-op program. So what exactly is co-op? Because I'm sure there are a lot of confusion that as all and most of our co-op are paid. So if a student is maintaining a good GPA, a good attendance, all the students are eligible for a paid co-op. But how exactly this paid co-op happen? Because if you can see on the slide, the co-op is a part of the program. That means it is in between your program. So it is not in the end, because in the end, you will only have your placement. So how the co-op is different and how exactly the co-op consultant is assigned in each of the department, I will like to play a very short video so that you understand how exactly we support our co-op programs.
My name is June Martin. I've been with the college for 11 years. I'm a cooperative education consultant, employer development with the School of Business and the Automotive Business School of Canada. So really my role as an employer development consultant, I'm kind of the connector between industry and the college in terms of the programs I run. So I bring in mostly paid positions to the college so students can apply for their co-ops or internships to have a paid co-op for while they're in school. I also work with students once they've graduated, because a lot of our graduates come back and they want to hire. So it's kind of a full circle. So the biggest satisfaction for me is when there's a good connection that's been made, and watching my students walk across the stage and graduate, that's the biggest satisfaction. Or when they come back and they bring me their little babies to hold, that's even better. Building your future.
I hope you could see the how exactly we do our co-op. So a co-op consultant is assigned to the department. The co-op consultant not only help you with the co-op career success, career hub, but they also help you for online job posting, internship, on-campus job, part-time job, which is there available at the international department. So the co-op trainer is also helping you to help you in your soft skill. So the co-op trainer is assigned to all the students from the first day, so that from the first day they are able to understand that which student require more mentorship or not. So as I already told you that located in Ontario, which is just 40 minutes drive from Toronto. So there are a lot of tourist destinations which are just 40 minutes. And I've already told you about the wage rate, which is $14 to $21 in an hour. Actually, the pathway program, the articulation program, the student after doing the diploma can transfer to a degree. We have focused areas of academic like business management, automotive business, aviation management, community and humanity safety like early childhood, social service worker, development service worker, early childhood education. We have design, we have visual arts, we have engineering starting from architect, mechanical, power engineering, electrical, environmental, engineering field. We have health and sciences, our very famous program in nursing, pharmacy technician, opticianry, and esthetician, biotechnology, health, and acute complex care for educated nurses. We are very, very famous for our hospitality program for a 2-year and a 3-year diploma, which have hospitality, tourism, and administration. Then we have sports and recreation programs also with us. I'm sure all the students can have a detailed information on the program through Pyramid Team, because Pyramid Team is very well equipped with all the program knowledge and the requirements. So average, the criteria that we require a minimum 55% to 60% to apply for any of our program. We do not accept backlogs more than 8 for doing a 4-year degree, 6 if you have done a 3-year degree. We do not accept students which have more than 2 years of gap for our diploma program and 5-year graduate certificate. Also, we only prefer students with the SDS category. That means we request in all sections in IELTS. As we can understand, it's a pandemic and everyone is together in this, and we all are facing challenges with the IELTS registration. So we also take Duolingo test, and the Duolingo test for us is 105 to 110 for a UG diploma. For a PG is 125. Also, we accept IELTS indicator. Student can also apply for a conditional offer letter in case they have not taken their English language test and if they have not got their last semester mark sheet. So you can make a conditional application. Application fee is $100. Few programs will require resume. So for that, please get in touch with Pyramid Services team, because they will have exact requirements for each of the program. Specifically as on engineering and computer related program, we focus on your class 12 maths numbers. So we require an average of minimum 60 for all these programs. So once you select your intake, you apply with 3 program choices, so that if your first program is full, you can get the letter for the second or the third program. Once you receive the letter, you need to pay a mandatory deposit of $2,500, and rest of the fees you can pay before filing the visa. So $2,500 is the amount that you should be very well prepared within the first 2 to 3 weeks of getting your offer letter. Fees is $15,000 to $22,000 for diploma and degrees. For graduate certificate is $16,000 to $18,000, wherein we have seen the student are able to have a good lifestyle in $10,000 per year. That's the GIC amount that you do. These are our support services like airport pickup. So we have it is powered by Maple Assist. I'm sure all the student and the counselor who are watching this session, we downloaded the Georgian Assist app. That's the app for our student and all prospective and the current student. You'll be able to see your classmate in the app and you'll be able to connect with them. You can book your arrival services and accommodation from that. These facilities are also available for our online students. So all these online students will be able to, help you with the facility. So you can just book your personal math center, anything, even if you're doing a remote delivery program, all these services are there available online. So these are the accommodations that are there on campus, but we have seen that most of the Indian students are off-campus residents. So it is all up to they want to choose on campus or off campus. So now we'll begin with our question Q&A. So that if someone have any particular question or want to discuss any profile, so we will do it one by one. Aman, I'll be needing your help for being the so that you can just the person who wants to ask the question can put their on the chat window, and Mr. Aman can ask you one by one. Anything related to Georgian, anything related to any update that you want, especially at the COVID time. So we'll be very happy to answer all your questions.
Mr. Rawat, I'm Sumanpal Singh. I just want to know about, is there a MBBS equivalent program there, like a four-year degree program in India?
MBBS is a medicine-related program. We do not have any medicine-related program with us. So all the program that you will see will be non-clinical apart from nursing.
All right.
Yeah. Thank you, Rohanji. Rohanji, there's a student with the name of Sonal Sharma. Sonal, if you can hear me, you can unmute and speak to Mr. Rohan directly.
Sonal this side. My query is, sir, I have done my post-graduation from Delhi in physiotherapy. I just wanted to pursue 1-year diploma course in Georgian College. It's like recreational therapy or any exercise-related course.
I would like to know that which was your year of graduation when you graduated?
It's 2013. I have graduated, and from 2013 to till date, I am working as a clinical physiotherapist in Apollo Hospital, Delhi.
So you are a very mature student. While doing my presentation,
Yes, sir.
Requirement, I already for a graduate certificate. We do have a program which is called as therapeutic recreation for all the physiotherapists. What we do not offer your students. So maximum experience a student can have while applying for our graduate certificate is restricted to 5 years.
Okay, sir.
So can you just send in your number to me? I'll make sure that we get back to you and help you out with the best option.
Yes, definitely.
Perfect. Thank you so much, Sunil. Thank you so much for joining the session.
Thank you.
Sir, I have a second student with the name of Divya. Divya, if you can hear me, you can unmute and you can speak to Mr. Rohan.
Hello. Actually, I want to discuss my case for my cousin sister. She has done +2 in medical field, but without math. Is there any program in Georgian College where we can do without math?
So she has done commerce or science?
Science.
Science without math, she can go for our office admin health services, which is a health related program. They can go for earlyhood, they can go for child and youth care, they can go for social service worker, development service worker, office admin executive. There is one very good program which is biotechnology health, but that program is already full for January and May.
Okay, I have searched one more program, that is fitness and health promotion.
You can apply for that too, no problem.
Without math?
Yes, without math.
Okay, thank you very much, sir.
Yeah, so please connect with Pyramid E-Services team. So they already have the portal access. So they will be helping you with the application process and everything.
Thank you, Divya. Thank you so much. Right. So moving ahead, I have a student who has messaged in the chat box. Student has done 3 years diploma in automobile engineering experience and now is looking for automotive business.
Yes.
And completed
you can apply.
2016 and holds a work experience as well in the same industry.
Which year have they passed out?
Sir, 2016.
For 2016, they still have 4 years. So what I will say that for any complicated case like this, please submit your detailed resume, a statement of intent that why you want to do this program to the Pyramid E-Services team, because they discuss the exceptional cases on case-to-case basis. And then we will see the overall profile of the student and see that whether we'll be able to make any exception or not.
Perfect. So Vikas, I hope you heard Rohanji. Sir, moving ahead, I have next student with the name of Malika. Malika, you can unmute and you can ask your question.
Hello, this is Malika, sir. I am already in touch with the Pyramid E-Services. I have chosen a course Early Childhood Education. I just want to know that does it have any future scope?
Yeah, for sure. I will be able to share a catalog with you. So just give me 1 second. I show you the exact how much the average salary is there, or the kind of job the students are getting. So have you gone through the website about the program? Have you read the program curriculum and have you seen, because the career opportunity program, everything is also mentioned on the website. So have you been to our website?
No, sir, not yet.
So the first thing, I've already sent you all the links regarding the program and the program learning outcome. But it is also a responsibility of the student to make sure that they go to the website and they see the details. I'm sure now you can see the program details on my screen.
Yes.
Yeah, so these are all the courses that you will be doing, and you can see the samples which are already mentioned and the potential employer that comes to our campus to employ the student for this program. The average employment rate is 91%, wherein the average salary is $30,000, which is the average starting salary. It has gone up to $35,000 in the last employment, the graduation.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yeah. So I'm sure, Amanji, your team already have the link for this. In case you have not, if you have not, don't have this link, let me know. I will send you the link
जी.
On this to your team.
Perfect, right, sir. Thank you so much. Malika, can you please tell me which branch of Pyramid are you in touch with?
Jalandhar, sir.
Thank you so much. I got the answer. Rohanji, moving ahead, in the chat box, I have been asked a question by a student. So Jakar has a message in the group. So he has done B.Ed in 2010 with 75% and holds teaching experience till now with a PTE score of 56. So he has a pretty senior.
We will not have any program for the student because it's a very mature student. So we'll whenever we are talking about an exceptional case, it could be a possibility of for like we do not accept more than 5 years of work experience, and student have a very, very good profile and having 5.5 or 6. So we don't make exception in such mature students. So I'm sure the student can talk to the Pyramid Services team for the another option.
Right. Thank you, sir. Thank you, Jakar. I hope you got your answer. Right. Rohanji, moving ahead. So the student is asking if she applies for January intake and gets the offer and pays the fee. So what is the possibility of Jan going on campus or would it be online? This is a burning question which everybody is asking.
So as now there is no update for the January intake. The update is there for the September. So few of the program are hybrid, few of the program are remote. So the student who have visa before 18th of March can travel, but we are suggesting all the students which have in-person component can travel. So we have around 150 students which are traveling in last week of August to the campus.
Right.
So if your program require you to be on the campus campus is already open for those students.
Right. Perfect. Divya, I hope you got the answer on that. Sir, moving ahead, there's a student with the name of Palak who has sent a message in the chat box. Sir, the student is saying that she is in the last semester of BSc Medical and she's been thinking about the next intake. So she's a program of PG that she can apply for.
Student can apply for a graduate certificate and can also apply for a 2-year diploma. So she can see which all program we have related to her field and she can definitely apply. But if she's applying for a graduate, we would require minimum 6.56 in all section. For diploma, it will be 6 in IELTS in all section.
Okay, perfect. Sir, moving ahead, there's a student with the name of Radhika. She's saying, I have just completed my B.Ed, but the 4th semester result is pending and I have 75% marks till date. And she wants to apply for January intake. Could you please help us with a suitable course option?
So she can go for early childhood, social service worker, child and youth care, whichever program she like.
Perfect.
So this will be a 1-year course or 2-year course that you have told me about?
Or 2-year programs.
2-year programs, okay. So can you please repeat that course? Early childhood?
Early childhood, social service worker, development worker, office admin, health services. So you can choose the program whichever you think is best suited for you. So
can you tell me these courses are based on B.Ed?
Yeah, so B.Ed student, we don't have anything related to B.Ed. So B.Ed student can only go, because it is all about teaching and dealing with human. So early childhood is again dealing with kids, it's a part of teaching. Social service again dealing with the community, that is again human interaction. So that's why I suggest you these courses.
According to you, what would be preferable
you have to read the program online. Whichever you think is best for you is the best program for you.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Thank you so much for your message.
Good afternoon, sir.
Yes, ma'am. Tell me, how can I help you?
Sir, actually, I want to know about Radhika. She visited yesterday in our office, Ludhiana office.
Okay.
She has also done MCOM with 71%.
So that's what I'm saying. So you have to tell us so all these program related thing, they need to discuss with the Pyramid team, because once a student is talking to us, they will only be able to tell what they want to tell. But you being a counselor, you need to check the overall profile. So if she is already a MCOM, she will not be eligible for any of these programs. So earlier in her profile, it was on B.Ed. So I recommended the course. So now you are telling that she's already done MCOM.
Okay. Thank you so much, sir.
Rohanji, based on MCOM, do you think we can propose anything to her?
Sir, we have to see the overall profile. So I'm sure Global business management is also one of the program, but it will all depend on the overall student. And we will only prefer the strong applicant because you can really understand that if the student, everything will depend on the student, and our graduate success rate also depend on the student that we recruit. So a strong candidate, that's why we focus and we tell less gap years, related program, and the student should be do not have a more gap. Otherwise, it also will be an issue at the class mix. So there could be a student of class 12 in the same class and student who is already MCOM and in the same class. So there will be no learning between them. So that's why we have this gap. So it will depend on the overall profile of the student. So I don't know which year they done B.Ed, which year they have done MCOM, and whether the MCOM is part-time or full-time, because we do not accept correspondence education.
Right. Understandable. Saloni, so please make sure that you share an in-depth, detailed profile of the student with admission, and I'll also sit with them and check the profile of the student, and only then we'll, put it across to Rohanji for assessment. Okay?
Sure, sir. Sure.
Thank you, Saloni. Thank you so much. Sir, further, I'll share a question from our branch head of Delhi. So he has asked, they have a student who has done diploma in music for 3 years in Allahabad, and that's done after 10th. So is there any program option available at Georgian College?
Yeah, but I'm saying we do not have any program related to music, and you can really understand that Canada is an immigration friendly country. That means we would only expect a student to come for a program which is hardcore relevant to the previous education that they have already done.
Right. Absolutely. Tariq ji, I hope you have got your answer. So Rohanji, I can see that most of the students who were here had got their queries sorted, and now I have the staff members only left in the session. So just a final call to staff members. Guys, अगर आपका कोई भी question है, you can unmute and you can speak to Rohanji directly if you have any profile that you want to talk about. This is the student Divya. She spoke to us also. She's actually having a question. She just messaged me. She's saying that there were students who had got the offer for September, but as they did not get the result, like the AIT, if they don't get it, would they be able to go for online classes?
No, unless and until the student do not have approval in principle, they will not be able to start with the online program.
Perfect. Divya, I hope you got the answer from Rohanji.
I think this is it for now. Do you want me to ask question from the team which is there about Georgian College?
Yeah. This was the last question. This was the last question from the student.
So we will call off session. I'm sure the team, thank you very much for the time. And I'm sure only the way we will be able to give a value add to the student and why the student walk into our partner's office, because what they can find it on the internet and the value that you can create while giving the information is totally different. And that is why we are, connected with each other. So if you still have any question or if you think that you need more information, please feel free to email us.
Perfect. Thank you so much, Rohanji. It was a big support today. And we hope that we'll be able to convert students who spoke to you.
Sure. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Have a good day. Bye-bye.
Everyone, thank you very much for your time.
Pyramid. Visa for a better life.